Assalamu alaikum and welcome to our Arabic class. This is the 20th lesson of the series Durusul Lughatil Arabiyyah. Ad-Darsul Ishiruna, lesson 20. It is a conversation between Layla and Salma. Layla said to Salma, Ya Salma, afi fasliki طالبات من الصين واليابان. Oh, you Salma, are there students from China and Japan in your class? Oh, you Salma, are there students, that is, are there female students from China and Japan in your class? Then Salma answered, saying, Naam, yes. Naam, yes. في فصلنا خمس طالبات من الصين. We have 5 female students from China. وأربع طالبات من اليابان. And 4 female students from Japan. وثماني طالبات من Indonesia. And 8 female students from Indonesia. So, Salma answered by saying, there are 5 female students from China and 4 female students from Japan, while they have 8 female students from Indonesia. Layla said, وفي فصلنا 3 طالبات من الهند. In our class, we have 3 female students from India. وست طالبات من الفلبين. And 6 female students from Philippines. وسبع طالبات من تركيا. And 7 female students from Turkey. Salma said, كم أختا لك يا ليلى? Oh, you Layla, how many sisters do you have? How many sisters do you have, Ya Layla? Oh, you Layla. She answered by saying, Li thalathu akhawat. I have 3 sisters. Wa kam akhan lak. And how many brothers do you have? Li khamsatu ikhwatin. I have 5 brothers. Salma said in confirmation of what Layla has said earlier, saying, Laki thalathu akhawat, that is, you have 3 sisters, wa khamsatu ikhwati, and 5 brothers. Then Layla said, Naam, yes, in confirmation. Wa kam akhan wa ukhtan lak. And she said, and how many brothers and sisters do you have? Wakam akhan wa ukhtan lak. And how many brothers and sisters do you have? Then Salma answered and she said, Li arba'atu ikhwati. I have 4 brothers. Wa arba'u akhawat. And 4 sisters. Layla said, Li zamilatun. I have a colleague. Ismuha Khadija. Her name is Khadija. Laha thamaniyatu ikhwati. She has 8 brothers. Wa thamani akhawat. And 8 sisters. That is, she has a colleague that has 8 brothers and 8 sisters. Tamarin, exercises. Iqra, waktub, read and write. Thalathu طالبات, 3 female students. Arba'u طالبات, 4 female students. Khamsu طالبات, 5 female students. Sittu طالبات, 6 female students. Sab'u طالبات, 7 female students. Thamani طالبات, 8 female students. 9 طالبات, 9 female students. 10 طالبات 10 female students. 10 طالبات 10 female students. اقرأ واكتب. Read and write. في بيتنا 3 غرف. In our house there are 3 rooms. في بيتنا 3 غرف. In our house there are 3 rooms. في الجامعة 10 حافلات. In the university there are 10 buses. That means there are 10 vehicles. في هذه المدرسة 8 مدرسات. In this school there are 8 female teachers. عباس له 7 بنات. Abbas has 7 daughters. عباس له 7 بنات. Abbas has 7 daughters. في بيتنا 9 دجاجات. In our house there are 9 hens. That is 9 fowls. That is there are 9 chickens. في الجامعة 5 كليات. In the university there are 5 faculties. في المستشفى 10 طبيبات. In the hospital there are 10 medical doctors. That is there are 10 female medical doctors. وأربع ممرضات and 4 nurses. That is in the hospital there are 10 female medical doctors and 4 nurses. خالد له 3 أبناء. Khalid has 3 sons. وأربع بنات and he has 4 daughters. خالد له 3 أبناء. Khalid has 3 sons. وأربع بنات and has 4 daughters. لي 5 إخوتي. I have 5 brothers. وست أخوات and 6 sisters. لي 5 إخوتي. I have 5 brothers. وست أخوات and 6 sisters. في هذا الكتاب 10 دروس. In this book there are 10 lessons. في هذا الكتاب 10 دروس. In this book there are 10 lessons. لنا 4 أعمام. We have 4 uncles. وخمس عمات. And we have 5 aunties. في بلدي 5 جامعات. In my town there are 5 universities. في بلدي 5 جامعات. In my town there are 5 universities. في ذلك الدرس 8 كلمات جديدة. In that lesson there are 8 new words. في ذلك الدرس in that lesson 8 كلمات جديدة. There are 8 new words. In these 3 مجلات I have 3 magazines. لي 3 مجلات I have 3 magazines. أجب عن الأسئلة الآتية مستعمل العدد مذكور بين القوسين. Answer the following questions using the numbers mentioned or listed in the brackets. The first question, كم أخا لك? How many brothers do you have? لي 6 إخوتي. I have 6 brothers. لي 6 إخوتي. I have 6 brothers. كم أختا لك? How many sisters do you have? So we have 5 in the bracket, so which is خمس. So we say لي 5 أخوات. I have 5 sisters. كم بقرة في الحقل? How many cows are there in the garden? How many cows are there in the farmland? Al-Haql means a farmland. We have 10 in the brackets, so we say fil haql asharu baqarat. In the farmland, we have 10 cows. Kam talibatan jadida fi faslik. How many new students are there in your class? Here we have 9 in the brackets. In Arabic, 9 is 9. So we say fi faslina, in our class, 9 طالبات judud. In our class, there are 9 new students. في فصلنا 9 طالبات جدد. In our class, there are 9 new female students. كم طبيبة في المستشفى الولادة? In the maternity hospital, how many female doctors do we have? So we have 8 in the brackets. So we say في المستشفى الولادة 8 طبيبات. In the maternity hospital, there are 8 female medical doctors. في المستشفى الولادة 8 طبيبات. In the maternity hospital, there are 8 female medical doctors. كم حافلة في الجامعة? How many buses are there in the university? We have 6 in the brackets, so we say في الجامعة 6 حافلات. In the university, there are 6 buses. في الجامعة 6 حافلات. In the university, there are 6 buses. There are 6 buses, vehicles. كم ابنا لك? How many children do you have? كم ابنا لك? How many sons do you have? We have 4 in the brackets, so we say لي 4 أبناء. I have 4 children. I have 4 sons. لي 4 أبناء. I have 4 sons. كم جامعة في بلدك? How many university do you have in your town? كم جامعة في بلدك? How many university do you have in your town? 3 in the brackets, so we say في بلدي 3 جامعات. In my town, there are 3 universities. في بلدي 3 جامعات. In my town, there are 3 universities. كم كتابا عندك? How many books do you have? كم كتابا عندك? How many books do you have? We have 8 in the brackets, so we say لي 8 كتب. I have 8 books. لي 8 كتب. I have 8 books. MashaAllah, I am Dhul Qarnayn. And first of all, I want to say a big thanks to you all. It's my pleasure to be here with you. I am so happy and delighted to announce to you that we are commencing the question and answer session of the segment of our class, where you will all have chance to ask questions concerning our lessons of this training series, and we will provide adequate answers to them. Even those without questions may learn directly or indirectly. So if you are new to my work, I welcome you. And if you have been with me while I have been teaching Arabic and its literature, Islamic and other related courses for the past 15 years now, I welcome you back on the abundant goodness, khair. Let me briefly share who I am and to let you know that what you are about to learn from me is not just what I have read from a few books or learned from a few people. I have been working with a lot of Arabic and Islamic institutions globally. I work as private Arabic and Islamic instructor to many celebrities internationally. I also work as an Arabic translator to a number of people in the world, also as a ghostwriter to many members of royalty. So what you are going to learn from me is something from my best of experience. And why I've decided to teach you this training series for this token is that research has shown that most Muslims could not read and write and even understand the Quranic Arabic language. So we designed this training series for all levels, from basics to advanced level, because the Prophet ﷺ has said, La yu'minu ahadukum hatta yuhibba li akhi ma yuhibbu li nafsi. That is, your faith, your iman is yet to be completed until you wish to others what you wish for yourself. So for this reason, we choose to share the knowledge with a lot of Muslims worldwide. So for that reason, we are doing our part. We also encourage you to introduce this course to others so that we can all benefit from it, and Allah will definitely reward us all. Remember the hadith that says, Dallu ala al-khair kafa'ilihi, that is, whoever shows somebody a good act or introduce a good act to others will also earn the same reward as those who are doing the job. So introduce others to this course so that you can earn the reward of teaching others. So we appreciate your presence on this platform on the abundant blessings. So we thank you once again, as the Prophet ﷺ says, La yashkurullaha man la yashkurun nasa. Whoever that doesn't appreciate others, that don't thank others, will never appreciate Allah. So we are saying a big thanks to you all once again. So you should take this as a task that you will introduce others to this course, as for them to also benefit these abundant blessings of knowledge that we are about to be sharing with you. And this will serve as your sadaqatul jariyah. Even you may sponsor others to join this course. This is a sadaqatul jariyah. Don't forget, Allah will surely reward you. Thank you once again. Let's continue with our studies. Assalamu alaikum. اقرأ الجمل الآتية واكتبها مع كتابة الأعداد الواردة فيها بالحروف. Read the following sentences and write them down, and also write out the numbers in them in words. That is, write out the numbers, the figures in them in words. لي أربعة إخوة وثلاث أخوات. I have 4 brothers and 3 sisters. لي أربعة إخوة. I have 4 brothers. وثلاث أخوات, and 3 sisters. Number 2, محمد له 5 أبناء. Muhammad has 5 sons. وثمان بنات, and he has 8 daughters. عندي 10 كتب, I have 10 books. وسبع مجلات, and 7 magazines. عندي 10 كتب, I have 10 books. وسبع مجلات, and 7 magazines. في المستشفى 9 طبيبات. In the hospital, there are 9 female medical doctors, وست ممرضات, and 6 nurses. عندي 4 قمصان, I have 4 shirts. عندي 4 قمصان, I have 4 shirts. لهذه السيارة 4 أبواب. This car has 4 doors. لهذه السيارة 4 أبواب. This car has 4 doors. في هذه الكلمة 5 حروف. This word has 5 letters. في هذه الكلمة 5 حروف. This word has 5 letters. في مدرستنا 8 مدرسات. In our school, there are 8 female teachers. في مدرستنا 8 مدرسات. In our school, there are 8 female teachers. في بيتنا 10 رجال و10 نساء. In our house, there are 10 men and 10 women. في بيتنا 10 رجال و10 نساء. In our house, there are 10 men and 10 women. ذهب أبي إلى الرياض قبل 3 أيام. My father went to Riyadh 3 days ago. ذهب أبي إلى الرياض قبل 3 أيام. My father went to Riyadh 3 days ago. اكتب الأعداد من 3 إلى 10. Write these numbers from 3 to 10. واجعل كل من الكلمات الآتية معدودا له. واجعل كل من الكلمات الآتية معدودا له. And make countings with the following words using the number 3 to 10. We have سيارة, so we can simply say 3 سيارات. That is 3 cars. So we have أخت, so we can say 4 أخوات. That is 4 sisters. We have طالبة, so we can simply say 5 طالبات. That is 5 female students. The next one is مجلة, magazine. So we can simply say 6 مجلات. That is 6 magazines. We have بنت, so we can simply say 7 بنات. That is 7 daughters. We have ساعة, so we can simply say 8 ساعات. That is 8 wristwatches. الكلمات الجديدة, new words. We have المجلة, the magazine. So the plural form of this is mujallat. We have Indonesia. We have al-harfu, that is the letter, a letter. So we can simply say the jam'u is hurufun, letters. Al-kalmatu, the word. So the plural form of al-kalma, word, is kalamat, that is words. This is the end of lesson 20. So we meet in the next lesson. Assalamu alaikum.